Hey guys, this is how to fix WePlay app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply tap on search at the bottom and go for the top and search for WePlay. And now, after that, just simply tap on the application, and when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now guys, another solution, just simply go to the settings into your device. Now for that, just simply scroll down and tap on the apps. And now just simply go for the WePlay application over here. And just simply go ahead and tap on it. And now from here, just simply go to the storage, tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix it. But if you still have issues with the app, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and should be able to get it working. Now guys, another solution, just simply hold application and just simply tap on uninstall, tap on OK, and just simply go back to the app and just simply reinstall it back again into your device, and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya!